at Rahul Gandhi's track record and his own reticence so far, that you should have a strong prime ministerial face is no doubt Qamar Zaman Chaudhary. But are you making a mistake? Because the Congress, it's not just Ajay Rai, by the way. Bhupesh Baghel, Ashok Gehlot, two of the strongest ministers, Nana Patole, your chief in Maharashtra, all of them are saying, Rahul ji PM honge, Rahul ji PM honge, Rahul ji PM honge, so much so that even the Congress handle now always positions Rahul Gandhi versus Modi. Jan Nayak versus Khal Nayak, Jan Nayak Rahul Gandhi, Jan Nayak idhar pahunch gaye. So it's very clear what the positioning is being done as. Is this a bold gamble or a foolish mistake? Because this is what BJP wants. They want it to be Rahul versus Modi. Qamar Zaman Chaudhary.
Yeah, Padmaja, first and foremost the question is, name any other opposition leader in India whose name rattles the BJP ecosystem more than Rahul Gandhi? The moment you utter the name of Rahul Gandhi, the entire junior batch of Bhakt Mandali, including their top leadership, will come and attack you. Rahul Gandhi versus Modi. It is not about Modi and Rahul Gandhi. It is versus one ideology that is promised to hate to be delivered to each household, and another who is a compassionate and educated, erudite and knowledgeable man who is fit to be the country's prime minister. It's a fight between two different ideologies. Don't make any mistake that it is between Rahul Gandhi and Narendra Modi. Anybody can lead the party from the opposition bloc. We have got
is it your suggestion that Nitish Kumar is not erudite or educated, that Mamata Banerjee is not erudite and educated, that MK Stalin is not erudite and educated, and talking specifically about their poll record, you are saying BJP is rattled by Rahul Gandhi? Maybe they are. But ultimately, it's not about who rattles BJP, it's about who defeats BJP. Today, an MK Stalin can say, I stopped the BJP. BJP has 0 seats in Tamil Nadu. A KCR can say, I stopped the BJP. They still have only 4 seats there. Mamata Banerjee can say, I stopped the BJP. Rahul Gandhi cannot say that. State after state, which were ruled by the Congress, are now with the BJP unequivocally. Do you know that of the 8 states where the BJP had almost a clean sweep in 2019 Lok Sabha election, all were Congress states at one time. Not opposition parties, Congress states. Whether it is Gujarat, whether it is Rajasthan, whether it is Himachal Pradesh, whether it is Uttarakhand, whether it is Uttar Pradesh, whether it is Karnataka, whether it is Madhya Pradesh. The main opposition party there was the Congress. And that is where the BJP almost had a 100% track record in 2019. Now tell me, why shouldn't a Mamata Banerjee and MK Stalin be that face?
Because the fight is not for the Prime Minister who gets a seat at the Prime Minister's chair after BJP is defeated in 2024. It's all about how efficiently we get together to defeat these communal forces and hate-filled ecosystem from power in 2024. That's the main fight that we are fighting, ma'am. It's not the question
Everyone
that who leads the country in 2024.
I'm just asking you about the face,
That's how our constitution has been designed.
I'm just asking you about the face.
Don't try to make it into a presidential form of election. It never was. India was never a presidential form of election. We had our representatives elected
sir, it
from
may not have been. Now we're talking about a completely different thing right now. Clearly, you are making it a presidential election.
Parameters of the constitution.
Sir, you are making it a presidential election because if you go to the Congress handle, we will just pull up the video. I literally went to the Congress's own social media over the last 1 month. There has been no other face positioned versus Mr. Modi except Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi versus Modi, Jan Nayak versus Khal Nayak, Modi ji versus Rahul Gandhi, Modi ji ने इसके लिए काम किया, राहुल जी ने इसके लिए काम किया, राहुल जी मैकेनिक से मिले, मोदी जी अदानी से मिले. It has been only one face. So you are making it a Rahul versus Modi. Now let me bring in the journalists. Just a second. Let's get an impartial opinion. Let's get the journalists on the panel.